Hello, my dear students. Let's complete Unit 4, Lesson B. We have some important vocabularies here, some important expressions, and we have to know their meaning. And a quick, please. Sentence number 1. This is in page 51. Sentence number 1. My dad spends his free time. Spends his free time making a model plans. That means it is pass the time. Spend time means pass the time. Number 2, stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time. Waste time, that means, yes, waste time means no use of your time wisely. Number 3, you have got until the weekend to finish the project. So take your time. Now take your time. That means, yes, it will be don't hurry. Don't hurry. Don't hurry. Number 4, Arnold is really busy, but he is going to try and make time. Make time to have coffee. Make time, that means, yes, find the time to do something that you don't have time, but you can afford or make time for that. Yes, my parents always give me a hard time when I don't finish my homework. Give me a hard time. My parents give me a hard time. That will be, yes, make someone's life difficult. Punish him. When you punish someone, that you give him a hard time. Number 6, my favorite sport is tennis, but I also play basketball from time to time. From time to time, that means, yes, excellent, sometimes. From time to time means sometimes. Number 7, we have some time to kill before lunch. So let's go for a walk. That means you are free or you have time before doing something. What can you do in that time? You have some time to kill. It will be, yes, excellent. Have nothing to do. Have nothing to do. Yes. Number 8, don't forget to wear your helmet at all times. At all times. Yes. Excellent. It will be always. Thank you. After that, at the same page, page 51, we have a simple grammar. That is reported speech. Reported speech. What do we mean by reported speech? Reported speech means indirect speech. When you say something to someone, and that person takes your speech and tell it or to another person or a third one, that means it's indirect speech. But we have two types of indirect speech now, which is commands and requests. Command, when I ask you to do something. For example, when I ask you to open the door, I'll say, open the door, clean the car, do your homework, or don't sleep late, don't open the door. So we have two types or two kinds of commands or two types of requests. When you would like to change them into indirect speech, it will be my father, for example, my father asked me to clean the car. When I ask you to open the door and you'll tell someone what happened, you can say that teacher asked me to open the door. When you ask your mother asks you to get out the rubbish, for example, you can tell your friend that my mother asked me to get out the rubbish. When I ask you, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. And you would like to tell your friend what happened, you can tell him that my mother asked me not to waste my time. Or don't open the door. If you'd like to change it into indirect, it will be my mother or my father asked me not to waste my time or not to open the door. So you have two types of commands, affirmative one or negative. If it's affirmative, it will be someone asked me to, then use the infinitive of the verb. And if it's negative, it will be Someone asked me not to. Then the affirmative of the verb. Now please, let's look for these examples. Sentence number 1. Help me feed the horse, please. The farmer said to me. Now, you have the farmer who asked you to help him. So the farmer asked who? Asked me. Yes. Asked you for what? Asked me to help him. To help him feed the horse. Let's see. Yes, it will be the farmer asked Darren to help him. To help him. Be sure of that we used to because the sentence is affirmative, and then we changed me into him because here the farmer is spoken about himself. He said me. But when I speak about him, it will be him. Yes. Number 2. Don't give me a hard time. Don't give me a hard time, my brother said. Yes. So my brother told me yes. My brother told me not to. Why not to? Because here the sentence is -1. So if the sentence is affirmative, as in number 1, it will be to. But if it's negative in number 2, for example, my mother or my brother told me not to give who? Give him. Yes, because he is my brother. But if it's my sister, for example, so it will be my sister told me not to give her. Why her? Because I'm talking about my sister. But here, my brother, it will be him, a hard time. Number 3, please clean the mud of your shoes. Clean the mud of your shoes. Yes, clean your shoes. It will be, yes. Harry asked Mike to clean the mud of his shoes. His shoes. Yes. Number 4, don't move. The police officer said the bank robber. Yes. It will be, yes, the police officer ordered or asked, no problem, the bank robber not to remove. So please be careful of the sentence you are dealing with. We have 2 types of sentences, as we said, affirmative and -1. If it's affirmative, you can say that someone asked or ordered someone to do something. But if it's negative, you can say that someone or some person asked or ordered another someone not to do or not to do something. So be careful of a sentence and be careful with the pronouns. Thank you and goodbye.